Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to find the fragments for the dive elevator. And what is the dive elevator? It's just a tool that allows you, without the aid of an actual vehicle, to quickly descend or ascend using an elevator that you build outside of your base. So we're going to start out here as per usual next to the Lifepod, and pretty much all of the fragments that you need for this are relatively close together. The first one is down here to the south in this big old pile of junk just past the Welcome Center, which is what that is over there. And so this is literally just to the south of the Lifepod in this pile of junk overlooking the edge of Oblivion. So the first one you need is right here, and if you need the coordinates for that, they are currently on my screen. I'll leave that open for a second so you can get them. They're down here in the lower right-hand corner. And then for the next two fragments, you actually only need two fragments for this, but I always include a spare now, because people have been reporting that sometimes one or more of these bug out for whatever reason. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to follow this cliff face on the edge of this giant hole. We're going to follow it around to the northwest-west. And the next two sort of fragments that we need are really right next to each other, next to what's called the Coral Dome. So we're just going to go past this giant jet stream here underwater, and we're looking for this load of junk right here, and it's next to this Coral Dome. And so the next one that we need is literally right here, sticking up in the middle of all this junk here. So for the second and the third, because they're both right here next to each other, the second and third coordinate for these particular fragments, I'm going to put up on the screen real quick so that you can see that in the bottom right-hand corner in case anyone likes to navigate using coordinates. And you can just pop out and give this bad boy a scan. And you only need, again, two fragments for this for it to finish so that you can build it. But in the event that you need a spare, there's actually one hiding right down here on the edge of this fragment of junk right next to the second fragment I showed you. So you can zip down here and get it. And so just to show you kind of the point of these elevators, I'll go over here. Okay, so the whole point of these dive elevators is that you can kind of just stick them wherever, and then they will go down as far as they can, where either they run out of space to do so, or they run out of cabling to go any further. So you can just kind of swim over to these bad boys, grab a hold of them, and then you can hit C to descend. Or, if you don't want to go all the way down, you can hit, well, I guess you have to hold C. You can either hold C to descend, or hold space to ascend. It's an easy way to really quickly go up and down, especially in areas where you can't really use your tadpole because it goes down below the crush depth that you have available to you. So it's kind of a handy tool to have. I haven't used them a lot. I think there should be more opportunity early in the game to use these where you otherwise can't use the tadpole, but you get the tadpole so early. There's almost no point in using these. That'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.